Hey, what's up guys? I have to take a trip by train to a beautiful city in the Baltic Sea for my line of trade. Everything went fine, I had a nice trip, came back home and suddenly I felt very specific symptoms which I'm familiar with. I had to wear a mask around my house, lock myself in the living room and hang tight. Oh yeah, I had a lot of time for myself. Fortunately, I had books, my computer, and as the time goes by, I feel better and better. I am only left with one problem, which is how am I gonna clean this entire area? There is a lot of materials, shapes, and surfaces which I need to clean, and preferably without using any agent. And after doing some research, I found this UVC disinfection lamp, which states it's easy to control, easy to use, and disinfects surfaces and objects in minutes. So I will give it a try. But first, let's unbox this thing. Oh yeah, dude, I know. Sometimes it can be boring, but you must. You need to read the instruction manual. It describes procedures and precautions that you might need to take in order to properly use this equipment. So don't pass up. Read it. Oh yeah, this one has a nice aluminum finish. It looks solid, sturdy, but light. I like it. Yeah, but enough with the talk. Let's test it out.
Please press timer button to select duration. 15 minutes. Please press power button to start. Disinfection routine is about to start. To avoid ultraviolet exposure, please leave the room and ensure no one is left behind, especially infants and pets. Routine cancelled. Please hold the power button for 3 seconds to unlock the device.
So as you can see with this device, I was able to disinfect my area, and so far nobody has been infected. But I would like to show you what does the UV light does to a banana's peel and why you should not expose your eyes or your skin to the UV light. Well then come on, let's do a banana cycle.
Please press timer button to select duration. Disinfection routine is about to start. To avoid ultraviolet exposure, please leave the room and
Okay lady, I guess we have to go.
especially infants and pets.
Peace. Now check this out, the areas where the UV light hit the banana peel. Now without the stickers. And 1 day later, it definitely did some changes in the banana peel's pigmentation. Alright then, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for stopping by. Remember, I show you what worked for me. That doesn't mean that worked for everybody. If you're gonna use any type of equipment, gather enough information, read about it, read the instruction manual, follow the procedures, so you can do it always in a safe manner. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. Until next time.